You're now watching Carcliff Media.
Culture minister, I think minister, but more than that, most important are will for us in Bangalore to select. So everybody knows it. We don't need to talk any further. So we'll give the guys to you.
Good evening to everybody. It is quite a long time that we were waiting, so I'll be very precise and very short. This election is important for all of us. Every election is important. It is more important because we have to decide who will be our helping hand in this locality. And especially, obviously, there will be many more candidates who will come and request for the vote. It's a democracy. I don't wish to comment on the same. But why I am asking for vote from you? I can put forward my case rather than giving a statement to accuse ABC or passing a buck to ABC. I can give my account that why we or my candidate is legitimate to ask for a vote. And I will not be very long. I can tell you 2014, you first asked your vote and confidence on me. You just go back what was prior to 2014 and what is after 2014. To give a very certain example, the Bandra Reclamation Promenade was not existing prior to 2014. Now it is one of the biggest tourist open space attraction for Mumbai. Prior to 2014, there was no dialysis center next to Lilavati Hospital, which has been given to the service for the common people of Bandra with 48 dialysis bed, one of the biggest in the Mumbai. As a MLA, we have seen that we should give a facility to the residents and the neighborhood. Prior to me become an MLA, there was no new wing facility of Bhabha Hospital. We have completed the building and given the medical facilities best for the neighborhood and the people who can't afford to the private. Prior to me become an MLA, there was no sports facility at Bandra Reclamation Ground, which has been known as a Wings Academy now, where football, cricket, archery, running, all kind of sports facilities is at your service after you showing a confidence on me and my colleagues. Prior to me become an MLA, there was no facility. God should not give anybody that disease, that worst disease of cancer. The common one has to go to very expensive medical facilities or to a Tata hospital. Your MLA has done an effort, not only announced, but you have started the construction of new cancer hospital just opposite to Bhabha Hospital. Within 2 years, Bandra will get the cancer hospital. I can tell you, you showed a confidence. We developed the Mumbai Arts Culture Center just opposite to Rangsharda, where the exhibition center, art center, mini theatre, that facility has come. The new making of Carter Road Promenade and the connectivity of Bandra-Worli Sea Link at Bandstand, at Carter Road, at Santa Cruz, to decongest all the bylanes. The people who want to go to Jew or that part of suburbs, they are coming into Bandra, SV Road, Hill Road, all other roads, rather than they can go out and out, and Bandra will be decongested and it will make pollution free. We have worked for the same. I want to give you an assurance with a concrete proposal approval that today at Taj, if there is a wedding, you know that any VIP or anybody comes there, they open up the car's dicky, they check up. When the vehicles get accumulated and the traffic gains jam up to the Mehboob studio or till the ceiling, we have given a thought that tomorrow when new Taj will also come opposite to existing Taj at Siroc, which is coming with 200 rooms, 4 banquet hall, 3 shopping mall floors, then think if there would be wedding there also, what would be the condition of these roads. Nobody thought, even our opposition, but the ceilings one arm connectivity is coming behind the Bandra Fort, behind the Siroc, and the people who can go from Taj, both the Taj, out and out, and we will be decongested over here. The Bandra Fort beautification, illumination, the park, and the access to the park with lit up way, everything has been done because you have shown a confidence to us. The connectivity of Bandra Bandstand Promenade, walking way behind the Bandra Fort, up to the reclamation, half work is done, which is going on. We are giving that completion. Making of the CC road, having the diagnostic center next to Rangsharda Hotel, from new sewer connectivity. And the most important, over the years, the Congress MLA corporator was there, but nobody even thought whatever sewer we generate from our own house is getting discharged into the sea without a treatment. Many elderly people, they tell me, in our days, young days, we used to play, we used to swim in a Bandra Bay or the Carter Road or Bandstand, but now the sea water quality is so bad, it smells and it also doesn't allow us to enjoy the sea water. We have done it. You must have seen next to the toll, the construction work which is happening, the waste water treatment facility for entire Bandra Khar Santa Cruz sewer will be treated at tertiary level and it will be discharged as a clean water to make Bandra neighborhood sea water quality the best, and which is our commitment we have already started. Not only wastewater treatment facility, but on the top of that water treatment facility, we are giving 6 acre on the top, new garden open space for Bandrites to have that enjoyment of open space. That is our commitment. When I say our culture is our pride, I'm asking you straight, before me became an MLA, whether there was Bandra Khar Neighborhood Winter Festival was existing or not. Today you can see all caste, creed, religion speaking people, Bandra is rocking, lit up at Reclamation Promenade or a Christmas tree at Carter Road, and all international events in the Bandra which is happening. We are doing it as our commitment for the neighborhood, for all of you, and will continue to do the same. Protection of the crosses, marking the churches on the DP map, while widening of the Hill Road, Turner Road, our St. Andrew's Church or any other place. We should not get into an acquisition and our land should not go. For everything, as your MLA, I stood by for all communities. I can go on and go on. The water issue, we have both committed, started the work that whatever water which we are going to generate after waste water treatment facility from the reclamation, we are going to reuse for all potable purpose, non-residential purpose, for gardening, cleaning. So that much water which will save drinking water, we are going to give extra to the Bandrites. So Bandra, we have designed Bandra station. You must have seen what was the condition prior, what beautifully look Bandra station today. These escalators are also already been planned there, it is existing. The skywalk was creating a hurdle to the beauty of Bandra station. Skywalk has been removed. The metro connectivity on the Esso Road has already come. And the most important, those, and especially Congress people, if they come to ask your vote, by giving a quotation of religion, language, any other issue, we are talking about the work in spite of all the religion, caste and creed. They, Congresses, they have spoiled the entrance of Bandra by mushrooming the Nargis Dutt Nagar, and today if you go and see that Nargis Dutt Nagar has become a history and a planned development has been started, everything has been removed for the redevelopment at Bandra station. We commit and we stand. Anushri is going to work with me. It is my word that she is honest, upright, approachable, accessible, and it is my commitment with my team she will work for you. So those who will come and say that they have done ABC, I have given you some example, and on that example I am asking your support. Forget all societies, what work we have done. Tiling, painting, these are the many works which we have done. But that is our commitment of the citizens. So I feel we deserve your vote. Lotus is my symbol. Don't go on any other issue. If you know Ashish Shelar, if you feel Ashish Shelar has worked for you, if you feel I have taken all communities together, then I deserve your vote. And I commit that me, Anushri and my colleagues will never let you down. We'll work 24/7, 365 days with all accessible approach, but will not let you down. That is my submission. So please do it for Anushri. Please do it for Anushri. Thank you so much. Now allow me to go for another meeting and let me give you an invitation for 11th closing ceremony program. It is one of the biggest such kind of celebration. Till the last breath, I am here as your enemy.
But we need the pass.